Welcome back to another update on the Camp Nou construction project. In today's overview, we'll take a closer look at the latest developments across the stadium, focusing on key structural progress and ongoing installation work happening throughout the site. Construction activity remains strong, with noticeable advancements in major structural elements, anchor installations, and material movement. Let's break down the progress step by step. Work in the Gale Sud section is continuing steadily, although visible changes from ground level are still limited due to restricted viewing angles. However, activity at the upper levels is clearly ongoing, with workers operating on scaffolding and structural pillars. Recently, slab panels have been installed across large portions of the upper section, marking an important milestone in this area. At the lower levels, crews are focusing on preparing beams for future installations. Metal connectors are being carefully attached to these beams, which will later support facade elements. These connectors are precisely aligned with minimal spacing, indicating a more compact design compared to other sections such as the tribuna. This stage is critical, as these connection points will carry future structural loads. Nearby, there is visible movement of sandwich panels, signaling preparations for facade installation. While some areas still show gaps where panels are yet to be installed, workers continue their tasks on elevated platforms, ensuring precise placement and alignment. Ground-level structures, including walkways and access paths, are now largely complete and fully connected through stair systems. Safety measures have also been enhanced, with protective netting installed to prevent falling materials and ensure worker safety. One of the most striking features under development is the compression ring. Its massive circular framework is now clearly visible above the stadium. Although progress appears gradual, the scale and complexity of this structure make each addition significant. New materials, including radial beams and pillars, have recently been delivered, indicating that further installation phases are approaching. Scaffolding has also been positioned to support the lifting and assembly of these large components. In the excavation zone, steady progress continues with ground leveling and surface preparation. Heavy machinery is actively working to adjust and raise the terrain. Trucks are transporting and adding soil, gradually increasing the ground height to meet structural requirements. This phase is essential for creating a stable foundation for future construction. A major highlight is the rapid progress in anchor point installation. A large number of anchors have been completed in a short time, expanding from lower sections to upper areas. This suggests that the structure is being prepared for upcoming phases, likely involving facade or lamella installation. Stored lamellas, which had been idle for some time, are now being moved, indicating that their installation will begin soon. In the Gale Norte section, work is currently focused on structural preparation rather than lamella installation. Surface treatments and finishing work are underway, with visible markings suggesting that protective coatings may be applied before installation resumes. At higher levels, cranes are actively lifting materials, showing that certain sections have moved into finishing stages after concrete work. The tribuna area remains the busiest part of the site, with multiple cranes, machines, and workers operating simultaneously. Structural integration is ongoing, particularly in zones designated for future vertical access systems, such as elevators. Connections for lamella supports are already in place, and workers are applying finishing materials to beams while concrete operations continue with pump systems and mixer trucks. Overall, construction at Camp Nou is progressing steadily. Key developments include rapid anchor installation, increased material delivery, and continued work on the compression ring. While some areas may appear slow from the outside, significant behind-the-scenes work is advancing the project into its next phase. That's all for today's update. Progress continues at a consistent pace, with major structural elements coming together across the site. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.